You chewed on your bed. I'm gonna tell on you. I'm telling your dad. You chewed on your bed. You chewed on it. You chewed on your bed. You know that, right? You chewed it up. Piece by piece. You chewed it up, and I'm telling on you. I'm gonna tell your dad when he gets home. He's gonna be not happy with you. Yep, you chewed on your bed. You know what you did. No, sucking up to me is not gonna work. I'm still gonna tell on you. I'm telling your dad. I'm telling that you chewed up your bed, and you chewed it with foam, and there was foam everywhere. There were pieces everywhere. No, sucking up to me is not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I'm telling on you. I'm telling him just what you did. Do you feel bad? I'm gonna tell on you. You're gonna be in trouble. He just bought that bed yesterday. He's gonna be mad at you. I had to clean it up. No, you're not gonna be. He's not gonna be happy. Ought to be ashamed. Brand new bed. You're sorry now, aren't you? Just wait.